Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a school name from a t-shirt. First, identify the type of application, whether it's a screen print, iron-on, or embroidery. Different methods work best for each. We will cover chemical solutions, heat applications, and careful physical removal techniques. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first to prevent fabric damage. For vinyl or screen-printed designs, acetone is often effective. Turn the shirt inside out and apply a small amount of acetone to the back of the design. This helps to break down the adhesive or ink. Let it sit for a few minutes, then gently scrape the design from the front. Repeat as needed, then wash the shirt to remove any chemical residue. Iron-on transfers often respond well to heat. Place a piece of parchment paper or a thin cloth over the design. Use an iron on a medium-high setting, applying firm pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds. The heat will soften the adhesive. Immediately try to peel the design off while it is still warm. Repeat if necessary for stubborn areas. To remove embroidery, you will need a seam ripper. Carefully cut the small stitches from the back of the fabric, being very gentle to avoid damaging the shirt. Once the threads are cut, you can usually pull the embroidery off the front. Remove any remaining threads and backing. A good wash can help the fabric fibers relax and minimize any visible marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.